Hello there, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to build a RGB 5x5 LED matrix using NEOPIXEL LEDs. With this display we can display different kinds of animations, emojis and also letters. So let's get started. First of all, we need WS2812 RGB LEDs. I don't have single LEDs, so I decided to take from RGB LED strip. For that, first I heated up the RGB LED strip using soldering iron. And you can see the LED separated easily. Such a way I took 25 LEDs. Then I designed a 5x5 LED matrix jig using thinker card. After that I placed all LEDs in the jig. Remember, all LEDs are in same way. Please do this with some extra care, because if you place the LEDs in wrong position, it is very hard to replace. After placing all LEDs, I took non-insulated wire from standard electrical wire. First I connected all positive leads of each LEDs in a row. And in the next step, I connected all grounds of each rows. After that, I connected the D out of each LED to the D in of next LED. Then I connected the common grounds of each rows together and also the common positive of all rows together. Then I connected the D out of each rows to the D in of next row. Finally, I connected wires to D in of first LED and also common ground and common 5 volt. To control the LED matrix, I am using Arduino Uno here. Connect VCC to 5 volt, ground to ground and D in of LED matrix to D3 of Arduino. You can use any digital pin. Then I connected Arduino to computer and uploaded a sample code. You can see the white LED moves and also the animation. So everything is working perfectly. Now I took a old cell phone display. From the cell phone display I took different kinds of semi-transparent plastic. And I choose a suitable one. Then using foam board I made a small cube and placed everything inside. With the help of Fast LED library I created different animations and emojis. We can control each and every LEDs individually. And you can see the mesmerizing animations. You can download code and schematics from my blog, link is in the description. In the next part I will show you how to control this LED matrix very easily. So that's all about today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from my video. If so, please like, share and subscribe. All up to you. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.